Hola, clase. So this is a model or an example or a lesson about how I would like you to do the bonus chapter. So first step, you probably have watched well, I hope you have watched the other video where the end product is what you see here on the screen, the right in this box, where I've got in red what I did thinking out loud for you for the video. So it says, veo mi teléfono, tengo un mensaje de mi amigo José. José es muy guapo, inteligente y cómico. José le gusta tocar la música, le gusta la guitarra. Notice all of that is in bounds. All of those are either words that we've used in class or cognates, like guitarra is a cognate for guitar, okay? So there wasn't anything that I would have had to look up or do on Google Translate. This is using the sentence frames. Yes, you should use the sentence frames. And you should use words that we have learned in class. This isn't an exercise for how well you use Google Translate, okay? So the process for what I do, I'm going to switch back and forth between Pixton screens and, oh gosh, it's spinning for a really long time. My internet is being very slow today. I actually had to pause the recording, reload the page, and wait for it to go, all right? So I know that I said in my story that Jose has a very small house, so I went in and I picked a background with a very small house. I picked a focus where we have a close-up of, you can't see it behind my face, of just Berto. And then I'm going to click in Words, Add Caption, and I'm going to put the caption at the top because there's a lot of blue sky. And then I'm going to put exactly what it says in my original. What I had in red is, let me go back, veo mi teléfono, tengo un mensaje de mi amigo José. So I say, veo mi tele, and I need to add accent over the E, fono, tengo un mensaje de mi amigo José. And you have an accent over the E in José, okay? And then I put a period, right? So then I put a check mark. And then I jump to them going to the next house, right? I can go to different slides, but the process for this is write the story first using the sentence frames, this guy, and then make the Pixton cartoon. Okay? All right. And you will turn in both of those with your final assignment. So there's a grade for the Pixton cartoon. There's also a grade for using the sentence frames to construct what is in this box. But of course, you're going to have a different name for a friend. Maybe it's a friend who's a girl. Whatever their name is, you're going to describe what they're like. You're going to show that they go to this person's house, they make a big mess, and then they don't clean up. All right? If you have any questions, please ask. Adios. Nos vemos.